You have been writing tests since you were a child, right? Some of you must have become pretty decent in writing, while others, well, let's just say writing isn't everyone's cup of tea, and that's understood. But guess what? The IELTS examiner doesn't care about your past trauma with writing stories or essays. They just want to see your English language skills in action and award you bands according to your command on writing. That's it. No pressure at all. Hello dear IELTS students, welcome back to the channel where we break down IELTS and the English language related topics in a simple and fun way. Today we are diving into the writing module, a 60-minute test with no extra time, and you have to complete two assignments. We simply call them task 1 and task 2. Task 1 is report writing, where you get some graphs and have to describe and summarize the data in your own words. You should make 4 paragraphs and write minimum 150 words in about 20 minutes. Task 2 is essay writing, where you respond to a topic given in the form of a statement, argument, or a problem with a proper essay of 4 to 6 paragraphs, writing minimum 250 words in about 40 minutes. Both of these tasks must be written in full sentences and paragraphs using a clear and formal style, without making any bullet points or headings. In task 1, you will be given visual data to describe and report. These visual data can be like line graph, bar graph, pie chart, table, flow chart or process, or sometimes maps. Usually you get just one type, but sometimes the examiner likes to mix it up with two visuals combined in a single task. Your job is to show that you understand the data, highlight the main features and key trends, and make comparisons where relevant and use appropriate vocabulary, tenses, and sentence structures. In task 1, you are not supposed to give personal opinions, suggestions, or solution to any problem here. Just clear, accurate reporting of what you can see in the graph. I have given some of the common task 1 question links in the description below, where you can write and submit your answers or can even share in the comments, and I will give you feedback on them. Task 2 is where you get to be a bit more creative. The topics are usually general and relatable things like education, technology, environment, social issues, health, or child development. The essays can be of these types, like opinion essays with question prompts, for example, do you agree or disagree? Advantage and disadvantage type of essays, problem and solution essays, cause and effect essays, and discussion type of essays with a question prompt like discuss both views and give your opinion, or sometimes just discuss. Your goal is to write a well-organized essay that clearly answers the question while showing off your range of vocabulary, grammar, and logical ideas. Your essay should have 4 to 6 paragraphs, which include 1 introductory paragraph, 2 body paragraphs, and 1 conclusion. If you want to do some practice, find the link in the description below for essay topics. You can write on any topic and submit for feedback, or can share in the comments, to which I will give you feedback happily. Bear in mind that this is the test of your writing skills that you have developed so far. It involves your sentence structure, tenses, vocabulary, and overall ability to communicate in written language. If your writing skills are weak, especially the sentence structure, then it's better to take some time to work on your grammar and sentence structure first. Understand the structures and requirements for each IELTS writing task, and then practice all types of questions in task 1 and 2, and get feedback from your IELTS trainer before embarking on to appear in the final exam. Keep in mind, skills are developed with guidance and consistent practice and cannot be memorized or faked. You can't simply memorize a skill. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question regarding writing module, ask me in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep smiling.